In this series, we've learned all about making a compost heap, and it's really not that complicated. All you have to do is add materials that are already in your life. If you're taking down a tree or some tree branches fall in the winter storms, cut them up into little pieces or rent a chipper and cut them up. As you mow the lawn, collect your grass clippings and throw them in a pile with everything else. In the fall, as you rake your leaves, rake all the leaves up and throw them in your pile with everything else. If you find something in your refrigerator like fruits and vegetables that can be broken down into compost, instead of throwing them out, throw them in your compost pile. You can always cut them up into little pieces, that helps as well, or cover them up. But there's lots of easy ways that you can use compost in your life. And it's so rewarding to know that it's not ending up in a landfill. It's ending up in your garden, creating beautiful color for years to come. Thanks for watching this segment on how to create a compost heap.